I'm GabbyBaddd Curly. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a hair video. This hair video is a drum roll please. We are doing a protective style. So I've been rocking these passion twists. I've seen them in the last video, me taking them down. This is gonna be an install. So I'm doing passion twists on me, by me, for me, baby. I got the Freetress Prefluffed 20 inches hair. The color is T350. This is the exact color that I used in the video that I couldn't figure out. The ends are brownish, so I wanted to run these back. I got 3 packs of the bundle set. Don't you love a good jar? It's the new jar for me. Like, I love a new jar. I'm sorry, I'm just obsessed. And for blow drying, I am using my Hot Shot tool. I did a video of my favorite Holy Grail products that I use on a daily or whenever I do my hair. So this baby right here is going to help me speed up the blowout process and me blow drying each section. Get you one, get you one, get you one. Not sponsored. Shout out to the waivers. Y'all put me on to this hack. I wish I would have known this years ago. So I know people be like, how do you part your hair in the back? How do you see? So this is a 3-way divided mirror. Most waivers, barbers use these mirrors to cut their hair when woofing or when they're shampooing or pre-pooing. They use this so they can see their hair 360. I'll put the details down there if anybody wants to know. But if you're a braider that does it at home, protective styles, and you can't see the back of your head, I recommend this baby right here. Look at all this hair, y'all. I just did a trim. Look mad bald-headed. Bald-headed where, baby? Please tell me. Please tell me where my bald-headed where? Now we got a part. This is the part that I hate. It's the parting process because it takes me so long. Okay, we're back. So I finished the back off camera and I finished. So this is what the back is looking like. Oh. The hose is calling. Okay, last part. Last two, baby. Last two, and I didn't run out of hair. I still have a whole bundle of hair left with the 3-pack.